In today's video, I'm going to show you how to capture crystal clear audio at a live gig. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to capture the best possible sound when you're at a live gig. Capturing sound at a live show can be really difficult because you're typically faced with hundreds or thousands of people screaming at the top of their lungs. You're also battling the sound of an extremely loud and extremely bassy speaker system. So if you're capturing sound on one of these shotgun microphones, or if you're using a built-in microphone on your camera, your audio is going to sound muffled, distorted, and horrible. And there is absolutely no way that you're going to be able to use that. So what can we do to capture crystal clear sound at live shows? At most live shows, there are microphones everywhere on stage. Not only does the lead vocalist have a microphone, the backup singers have a microphone, all the instruments, they all have separate microphones, and all of these are being channeled into a soundboard. So your first step is to go and speak to the person responsible for the soundboard. Now, if you find the sound engineer and speak to them really nicely, then you're going to be able to get an output from that soundboard. This means that all of these microphones dotted around stage, they're all funneling into the sound mixer, and you're going to be able to capture one signal straight out of the sound mixer into some sort of recording device. It's important to note though that some soundboards, they might not have an XLR out, they might have a jack out. So this means that you need a big massive jack lead to plug into the soundboard, and this is going to do the same job of the XLR cable. It's going to take that signal and put it into your recording device. So to capture the sound, you have a few different options, and the first is a sound recording device. And this is a Zoom H4n, and basically it has an XLR input here. So you take the signal through the soundboard, through the XLR cable, and you plug that into the sound recorder, and then you monitor levels in here and just record everything onto this. This does take an SD card, so all you will need to do is take the SD card out of here and just put this onto your laptop and resync it back up with the video. But if you don't want to be syncing audio in your edit and you want the feed to go directly to your camera, then what do? The alternative to a sound recording device is a wireless transmitter. So like the sound recording device, you just plug this into your XLR cable, and then you're going to be able to program this to transmit this signal to a receiver which is going to be mounted on top of your camera. And this is what the receiver looks like. So the sound coming from the soundboard is going to go through the XLR cable up into the transmitter, and then when these two are programmed, the signal is going to go from here over to the receiver, and you can use an XLR cable or a jack cable from this receiver that will go straight into your camera. And if your camera has the ability to manually adjust the levels, then you can do so now, but if not, then your camera will automatically take that signal and adjust the levels for you. So this is great because you can directly receive everything from the soundboard straight into the camera. This is great because it does cut down your edit time, but you are at risk of signal dropouts. This solution is also great because you're not going to get any signal dropouts. You're going to capture all that sound from the soundboard. It just means you have to sync everything back up in the edits. And then lastly, we've got this shotgun microphone. But if you're at a live show, then I would seriously not recommend using this. I would use either this or this. So the next time you're at a live show, don't settle for ugly, distorted audio. Speak to the sound engineer, take that signal from the soundboard and capture beautiful, really delicious sounding audio. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, push that bell icon, and I will see you next time for the next episode. Thank you for watching.